Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Deandra Marie, and on my channel you'll find lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, recipes. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you click that red subscribe button down below and then click the bell too so you'll never miss an upload. Let's get started with putting these groceries away.
give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby.
If you see me dancing a little bit in the video, it's because I got some new wireless earbuds, and I feel like cleaning just goes by so much faster and more fun when you get to listen to some music.
I kinda cover you, cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before, I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, cause I got a rule. I
also want to take a second to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. You guys support me and I appreciate it so much.
Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So hold on to my heart.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own.
This little brown bowl, if you've been around for a little while, I bought this right around Thanksgiving, and I had a tea towel in there with some rolls, but I'm using it now as a fruit bowl. I think this bowl is super cute. I got it from either Ross or Burlington for around $13. I did see somebody on YouTube buy a similar bowl to it. They bought theirs from JCPenney and it was like $40. So I love saving money when I can.
I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time.
One important thing I want to mention in today's video, I used my Norwex and Viral Cloth for the first time ever, and I must say it cleaned everything really good. It's supposed to clean, I believe, like 99% of germs, without any added chemicals. So all I did was just wet it, with water and get to work. The only other chemical I used was on my stove, which was the barkeeper's friend. And that's because I had like burnt on milk. Yeah, I was trying to make like some cream of wheat or something and walked away for like 2 seconds and the milk, you know how that goes. So, but yeah, I love it. And I definitely will continue using the EnviroCloth.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to.
If you guys have any particular video that you want to see on my channel, then make sure you leave that down below in the comment section, and hopefully I will be able to do that for you.
I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
Make sure your post notifications are turned on, because I will have like a Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me, and I'll show you guys a recipe or two in there as well.
It shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Oh, oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time.
If you guys peep those little Valentine's Day themed candles in the background, that is kind of the theme that I'm going for Valentine's Day. Just the, traditional pinks, reds, maybe a little bit of white and gold. So stay tuned.
wanna show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things.
You know, ever since the pandemic started, I literally have masks laying around like the entire house. Is it just me, or is your house like that too?
Make it real, just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be you. We're holding back each other in the things we.
Honestly, the floor really needs to be vacuumed, but at this point, I believe it was like 11 at night. The kids were already in bed, and you know, I was not about to wake them up. And then the last thing, you guys will see the entryway table. You won't get to see me actually clean it. I had to clean it off camera. My battery died and all that, and it was like midnight by the time I was done filming, so.
Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real, just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go.
Giving you guys a brief reminder of what everything looked like before and the after. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.
Just you and me.